If you watched my earlier video today where my sister came over, we made lots of things. But one of the things that we made was 2 different types of laundry detergent. I like to make my detergent a certain way because it's only $8 for a 5-gallon bucket. We made her one that's a little bit more gentle, maybe on the skin. And if she makes a 5-gallon bucket, it'd be about $14.75. So we had an absolute great day. But I could not let this day go by. I was not going to go to bed before I made my dryer sheets. I'm completely out. This is so simple. So this is another thing that I do to eliminate toxins from my everyday life. Making homemade dryer sheets, so simple. And yes, I used to be one of those ones that I used the scent beads and everything. My laundry, you could smell me coming like a mile away. Once I realized that stuff is so bad for us, bad for our skin, wearing the clothes with those fragrances on there, the chemicals that's in laundry detergent and dryer sheets and scent beads, just totally changed my health. So this is so simple to make. So I'm gonna whip this up real quick so I can clean up my mess and get ready for bed. I used to make this in just a small pickle jar, but some people that would come over would stay for a few days or the weekend in the guest bedroom. When they'd have to get into my small jar, my pickle jar, to grab out a dryer sheet. Well, their hands were bigger than mine. I don't ever think about this. I mean, I know I have big hands, but apparently they're smaller than most people's. So came across these cool little jars at Dollar General, right? Really big lids. So if you're gonna make this, you may want to find a jar that has a very large mouth on it. Okay? So, simple. I'm gonna fill this with water. Do not fill it full. Okay, I'm gonna put in that much water. I do not like to measure anything. I just put 1 part water, one part vinegar, close enough. I buy essential oils in larger containers, so this will fit in my essential oil rack. I put them in these bottles. Again, I kind of like peppermint. So for my scent, essential oil, organic, right? 10 to 20 to 30 drops. How about a little bit more? You know, y'all know I don't measure. How about a little bit more? All right, that's good. That may be 50 or 60 drops, I don't know. And then, especially in the wintertime, I add food grade glycerin, right? It's a pure vegetable based glycerin. People use it for other things like skin soak, an aromatherapy bath, softens and moisturizes. I just use it to soften my clothes, and it really, in the wintertime, it really helps with static cling. I mean, all winter long, my hair's always standing up. Everything's always staticky on me in the wintertime. So, 1 to 1, maybe a quarter cup, I don't know. I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna squeeze that bottle. A little bit more. All right. Going to stir it all up. And then I use old rags. So I always ask my youngest son if he has any old white t-shirts that he can give me, because I know that kid has so many clothes. So I ask him for all his white shirts, and then I cut them up. I wash them, and then I boil them in a little bit of bleach water, and then I rinse them in boiling clean water. I totally sanitize them. And then I use them for when I'm making my fermented foods and things like that. I'll put them over the jars. I use them for different things. But once they get all stained, like maybe perhaps my kombucha, if I've stained them, then they just become my dryer sheets. Pretty simple. All right, that's all stirred up. I'm just gonna shove these all in here. Put them down below the water. Let them soak overnight. And then when I want to use a dryer sheet, I just pull it out. Wring it out and toss it in the dryer. And as they come out of the dryer, as long as I still have liquid in here, I just stick them right back into that same liquid. How simple is that? Non-toxic, cheap. I was focusing on removing toxins from my life. I didn't realize how much money I was saving and all of these things that I make at home. Simple, simple. If this video has helped you in any way, please like and share. Come join me on this journey of removing toxins from our lives and just rising above any situation that's thrown at us and living a simple, healthier lifestyle. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.